Hope your Christmas was a good one, as most folks getting back into the swing of things. Well, kind of the swing of things. It is the week between Christmas and New Year's, and things do kind of slow down just a little. We are looking at weather, though, that may be ramping up just a little. We'll talk about all that coming up. That is your Kentucky One Health Weather Bug camera from beautiful Center College in Danville. We've again seen some high thin clouds around, but overall it's been a pretty terrific day. Max Track Doppler here, 5:15. Nothing going on. Put some oil in those wheels, Morris. It's a squeaky one. Really? You're going to keep doing that? Want to go again? Nope. Okay. Starting tomorrow, we're on the warm side of a strong storm. What that means for us, it is going to turn windy. It is also going to get really warm. And for the most part, we're just looking at rain from that. The most part being the other addition could be a little thunder may also come along for the ride as well. Give it up, Morris. It's not going to work. You're looking at a weekend. We're going to be on the plus side of normal, which means we're going to be a lot cooler, but again, just a little bit above where we should be for the final weekend of the year. Heading to the Citrus Bowl in Orlando, you may have timed this just right. And we'll look at that coming up. So what's going on? Today we've enjoyed the sunshine as high pressure departs off to the east. Gathering storm out here. We've got the rain and thunderstorms on the southern and eastern flanks. Heavy snow will be going on the northern and western flanks from this. This may turn into an out-and-out blizzard for some folks. So the setup here at 7 o'clock, you've got high pressure sitting in the Carolinas. There is your warm front. Just to the south of it, temperatures have jumped into the mid-50s today. Developing area of low pressure over here in the Texas Panhandle. So as we work our way through tonight into tomorrow morning, see all those isobars? When you put a whole bunch of them together, that means it's getting windy. And when you see them lined up like that, that's southerly winds, so that means there's a warm-up coming. Meanwhile, that area of low pressure kicks off a whole lot of snow out here across the plains. Now, we had a lot of snow out here back, say, November, early December. We've lost all of it. Now we're going to start rebuilding the snowpack again, so we'll watch these storms progressively work their way southeast with time. By tomorrow late in the day, you've got a cold front sitting in western Kentucky, rain and thunderstorms out ahead of that. We get you then into Friday. Some showers will be around early in the day on Friday. I think we get into some sunshine as we get into the dry slot of this storm. And when that happens, we'll see our temperatures jump up, and it should turn into a really warm afternoon. Meanwhile, that cold front will arrive for Saturday, but the air behind it will only be moderately chilly. Boy, look at the warm-up coming. We're talking upper 50s tomorrow, 60s on Friday, and again down to near normal as we head towards Saturday, Sunday, and the first of the year. We're looking at temperatures now, 50s to the south and west, 40s to the north and east. 47 right now at the Bluegrass Airport. East wind comes in at 8. We made 50 earlier today. You headed to the Citrus Bowl? Well, I'll tell you what, you have picked a good time to do it because, well, number one, they scheduled it just right for you. But if you're headed down there, Saturday, Sunday, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, how about in Orlando, high temperatures in the 80s? That will be nice and a whole lot warmer than here. Partly to mostly cloudy, cold, not as cold rather, breezy. We'll be in the upper 30s tomorrow. Let's go with a windy day. There is a wind advisory. The clouds thicken, the rain will be arriving. Highs will go into the upper 50s. Those winds 15 to 25 could gust 30 to 40. Rest of your forecast goes like this. Rain around, especially early in the day on Friday. Still breezy, will be in the low 60s. Dry on Saturday in the 40s. Rain chances Sunday morning. And a big rain chance comes in for New Year's Eve, but rain is the operative word with that.
But it'd be almost pretty. It snowed last year on Christmas Eve.
Okay,
New Year's Eve.
It was so cold. I do remember
it was
that.
cold.
Yes, yeah.
That's true.